Hello everyone, welcome to Cendrawasih University. Today, I'd like to introduce one of the most dynamic and innovative departments, mechanical engineering. Let's take a closer look at the facilities we have to offer. We'll start with the spacious and well-organized parking area. Students can park their vehicles safely and conveniently here every day. Next, we have the campus canteen, favorite spot for students. It offers a wide variety of snacks and affordable meals. A cozy place to relax, eat, or chat with friends between classes. Now, let's head back to the heart of learning, the mechanical engineering classrooms. Designed to support interactive and practical learning and led by experienced lecturers who guide students both in theory and hands-on practice. On the administrative side, we have an academic service counter that supports student needs. Fast, friendly, and efficient service is our top priority. Another key facility is the computer lab, equipped with up-to-date hardware and industry-standard software. Students receive technical training using programs like AutoCAD. So, are you ready to become part of mechanical engineering? Join us now at Cendrawasih University.